Good morning all. So today we are going to learn about the two important subtopics. The number one is the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, and these are some specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. The another subtopic is the complement angle, complementary. Complementary means the sum of the two angles is 90, which we call as the complementary angle. And this what we call as actually the clinometer. The thing of the take angle angle 30 in the capsule, and if it is angles 45, 90, 60, and every measurement, every angle that we get from this clinometer, that the angle chasang right, and angle chasang ji count regular low in panarang the trigonometric table leisure. Good table around over the tape change. Did angle chasang right. The did some jump then on jump to you or mare. The imbaina there are a few 5, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Do you to learn on my channel? Did jump and take one of the captain calculation day did it. The data wing banner, they don't answer the Kesan Jessica. Casing onto this angle sharwa and chick gelatin. Now this is horizontal. This is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. This is exactly the horizontal. The thing is, angle so this is what see then this is what degree there. So degree that projects pass where the D and the digging object here. The angle angle so those pattern sing in bana angle do. She has an angle did some the degree some and degree the value here. The thing on the value chasm goes to marete and some specific angles, and these specific angles are this 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Then on the deep part to share and 3 part to share, and these should are complementary angles. Angle need don't by 90 real edge or digital ones what to do. And yesterday we learned about the very important the topic, the subtopic, trigonometric ratios. The ratio took the ratio took the first ratio, which we call as the sine of theta. Cos of theta and tan of theta. Catch this one. This one goes to and the next three are the reciprocals of these three. That the last hour. The impana channel sine the reciprocal the culture do. Love impana 1 by cosec theta and cos culture 1 by sec of theta and tan impana 1 by cot of theta. That is our answers. That this shingina taking on the inverse the shingio in Panarwa and first, second, third the janta and Shabasum Jolati on Shingletur. And the Jango Bimzen Kare, thing at the end, Jella of the Martin Shawarwa, the Jane, Kepen Karuri. Dear, I think we'll discuss later. Now, the first, how we are going to get these values. That's not doing the formula, the Masona, techniques of Kalamazan jury. You mean by the Deshi shade. Maybe a textbook on your economic so your songs and textbook on Tonanche and Chitundan. Yankalang Congo partners or Congo sign of 0, sign of 0. Chitantina technician the technique party come to Tisha. In a Tendam Chiklana and this someone can answer Dodo Chadu. Sign of 0, the kind of regular, this how we so much of Chinua. Sign of 0 that we have a right triangle. The integral to the right triangle church. The integral right triangle in A, B, C. And suppose that this is our theta. Angle take your theta. If this is angle theta, and this becomes your perpendicular. The angle of the opposite thing on the P in bar, the opposite side and take your P and opposite side and thing on the P shape. And then this is a B. This is your B. And this becomes your hypotenuse. So, this is confirm chasar. That then she shall do in Pana. If this theta is 0, sine of theta is 0 in Pana. That theta is 0 in Pana. Don't say what? The theta is 0 in Pana. 0 on a calorie. They do lower. Check the see that. That the in Pana. Karala sine the formula. Kasa of the line bar. Sine the any formula. Check now Victor Law. So control as jury. Some people have letter you are. So in the sine of the formula sine of theta like the formula P by H. Or instead of P you can either write as the O opposite side. So P by H O by H. Now sine theta, if this theta is 0, this sine theta is 0 in band, theta is 0 in band. The do not sine theta is 0, sine theta 0 in band, sine 30 in a, sine 45 in a category, sine of 60 in a category, sine of 90 in a, exactly same. Now suppose I'm taking one example from this sine, and suppose just go through the textbook. Everything is given. So example check that thing I have to love in band. Ding on to Pirua. Dick has it 0 in Banano. 0 in Bandiva, Mama Yumura. There. This 90. This is 90. That casing of the 0 in Banana, Dick to Mama Yumura. Ma Yumuna Kachasa. Mother saw Kacheto. Based on taking it, the hypotenuse you are there. The 0, the hypotenuse, the H. So H P H H कौन है सा 0 शायद से दिनाला So H देखा जो रे 0 H दे 0 रा दिनाला So 0 इनको सोचा खाचे P ना ना पा पहलू ला तो ये पा पहलू दा खाली चिको शायद स्वान बेस चिको शायद स्वान दिमाग ना दिमाग माय उड़वा So दो P वाइन पे ना मतलब रे P दे खाली शायद से दिनाला P दे 0 शायद So दिखा जो रे 0 by H P 0 0 दी 90 because the 0 implicates the Maya and Shini daily 0 Shirua. And the Kashasa, big value Kashasa, big value the 0 Shaswa. So big value the 0 and you do say the Mama in the 0 in Bana, code 0 like you know. This 0 like you in Bana, and 0 divided by any number is 0. So therefore, sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 0 is 0. That did not say sine 30 in a culture, sine 45 in a culture. So this some of the textbook and you want the details get to maintenance Patarochi. Then you can send value market on the love and then value rub in Pena. That thing of the pressure cover the quadrenda. Thank you, Tamu Carping and loving Pena. You get angles to turn down techniques you're thinking at all. Tamu Hachi loving Pena, then on the one Shishra, Tamu on the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in Judarwa. Tigachina 0, 1, 2, 3, 40. Divided by 4. Some of 4 down. Some of root yo. Now find the value. 0 divided by 4. And now this can be also written like this. Root of 0 divided by root of 4. This is a so the other in the calculation it's the same. Long so 0 divided by any number is 0. Don't do any root of 0. That is 0. Now 1 by 4. This can be also written as root of 1 divided by root of 4. And root of 100. So 1 chair. And this root of 4 is a perfect square. So means root of 4 is 2. So 1 by 2. And root of 45. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Root of 1 divided by root of 2. Root of 1 is 1. Root of 2. So 1 by root of 2. 60. The root 3 is prime number root 3. And root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2. Root of 3 by 2. 90. Cut down the 1 plus root of 1 law in 1. So this value is 1. So gang sama ang thongbo de bin sama ra there. Shena da thongbo de 1 0 1 2 3 4 but the t sama lo divide down root 3. And then on the calculation test down gang sama 0 1 by 2 1 by root of 2 root 3 by 2 and 1. But the now you get all the values of these trigonometric ratios. That thing I go sure what the value chazan ratu. Can you say that? Sine a part of your cos la the inverse is 2. Inverse is 1. It's a 1. Next, root 3 by 2. Next, 1 by root of 2. This will have 1 by 2 and 0. That tension of tension of the formula tension theta which is equal to sine of theta divided by cos of theta. The value of sigma is tension of theta equal to sine की formula करेंगे तो हाँ कुछ ऐसे नहीं sokha troa le sokha troa lo in bana tik tyong gi wa dan some people have le ta ko phecho kharta na khewa ke min do dit on china khar chini china khewa imar so te some people have like team by na so dimba or perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite by hypotenuse adjacent by hypotenuse so h the h ka tanda so khata sa P by B and degree or we call as the opposite of PB, opposite by adjacent. So tension की formula दी बा opposite by adjacent इन बा. So खर्चे लगे तो लव इन पाए ना तीता ने ती खरे कचरे sin दाम cos कचरे. So दो ती वो इन पाए ती लगे वो इन पाए ना. So sin ला cos की divide दाम sin ला cos की divide sin दी रा cos दी रा sin ला cos की divide दाम क्यों लाओ sin ला cos की divide दाम यहाँ मत खर्चे रे काम की नंबर दे ला वाले क्यों काम की नंबर चले दी कब तो multiply ताशा ना चाहिए so दिने relation नहीं होता सुते हैं ती सुते हैं drawing पाए ना सान दिने की तो मोबाइल कब तो change करना ना काम एक नंबर जोड़ दे नंबर नहीं उड़ा दे numerator and denominator use all the numerator divide by numerator divide by numerator ता तुम्हें चिकन नहीं आती पेशेंट दे the numerator करें पाए 0 रहा 0 divided by 1 is a 1 0 divided by 1 रहा काम की नंबर दे 0 रे दिया कुछ रे 1 रे so 0 divided by 1 is 0 0 divided by 1 is 0 so दान सिंह काम खसर तो 1 2 देला काम खसर तो root 3 दा so 1 by root of 3 1 by root of 3 they काम खसर तो 1 रे here is also 1 so 1 divided by 1 is 1 tension is there काम root 3 divided by 1 root of 3 1 divided by 0 what is it infinite how why mar infinite number रे रहती ना तो infinite जो है मारे को चेंज है ये मारे ती हाँ कुछ मारे ना दो ना so thing है तो स्पाशा यहाँ समझ दी सब लोग n d and t लूसो दे n and d not defined so मांगचे ना मांगतो n d t लूसो दी खालो ना not defined लो को दो चीज़ आने चाहिए क्यों क्या में दो so next रहा ता cosec sec and cot are the inverse ना तेरा तो चीज़ बात correct inverse ले लो ना cosec the correct inverse ले ना sin inverse ले लो ता sin inverse चीज़ लो दे sin inverse ले ना 0 लो दे 0 ले ना कब 0 by 1 लो the inverse चीज़ चीज़ वहीं पर खर्चे ले दे 0 खर्चे दे 1 divided by 0 so 1 divided by 0 लो when not defined so n d genetic there n d or infinite ता दाना सिंह निमो देना मंसो खर्चो sin के खर्चो दे cosec के जिसवा cosec हम बोले जो चे निमो देना रोआ दी यहाँ inverse दे cosec की तक अब फाउंड नहीं खर्चो inverse चेंज है रोआ so cosec हम बोले दी जो चे sin के निमो दी inverse चेंज ना 2 रोआ so दो देना संगा inverse चेंज है थंग संगा so 2 चे ता दी inverse चेंज ना root of 2 रोआ ता दी inverse चेंज ना 2 root by 3 And here 1 divided by 0 this is 1 by 1 1 divided by 1 inverse 1 divided by 1 so this is 1. The second part sec the correct inverse rate cos inverse and cos inverse le diro the inverse 1 divided by 1 1 check the inverse 2 by root of 3 so inverse into the 1 by root of 2 means root of 2 and here 1 by 2 and inverse 2 that the yin check there 0 divided by 1 because inverse 1 divided by 0 not defined. Now got the correct inverse 10 inverse so the correct not defined or infinite and here inverse root of 3 1 1 1 the root 3 the inverse 1 by root of 3 and this infinite and infinity to the not defined now in 1 divided by 0 not defined one. The ya ching by 0 0 inverse the inverse 0 and g low in 1 by 0 so ya do in 0 0 so tang ding trigonometric ratio that the kawa pen to re not the examples pa sha show the degree what the any value should the pache don't so turn out the that we have the sum in the sense that we have the 5 trigonometric the statistic angles and we get all these values. Now where we use these values the value the can did the take value some the calculation for example say this is one example and these kind of questions frequently comes in the exam. The thing is simple so that is example in the this now we are going to find this value. Cosec square 30 that cosec 30 cosec 30 this is cosec isn't it? And 30 means 2 so cosec 2 square so cosec 30 2 so take here 2 square of there cosec square the value the matia yang cosec 30 square the square not on the degree square in a cube cosec sine square and 45 degree square the so cosec square cosec 30 2 and there are square in the square 2 into the sine square of 45 or sine square sine square of 45 1 by root of 2 so 1 by root of 2 1 by root of 2 and square square negative sec square 60 that's sec square 60 that is again 2 so 2t and square down that's simple calculation the path 4 into the delta also 1 into 1 that is 1 and here we are going to cancel this root and it becomes 2 so negative 4 I cancel here 2 ones are 2 2 twos are 4 2 minus 4 which is equal to negative 2 so you get the negative 2 as the solution of the thing answer has to be negative 2 is the thing example chunjujing that the value sama shingi yo in shena roa and want to take to a condition in Banayandi say 2 is complementary angle part draining so complementary angle Savata and Tishan to get any assignment in the Naleka Sheshudi and Transfer knowledge chain. Okay, the next subtopic is complementary angles. The complementary angles, normally the complementary angles says is the two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90. angle ni yo in bana angle ni du su do ba in ne 90 chagi yo ne de rang su gi complementary angle ta di ka su ra ne ko chi nge gi chidang algebraic nang la ma su ya de ka nge ma bu shu che gi du kesi pu ni la su ra so it's just an example that kesi pu ni la pu e le je re ani pu pi le je re pu e da pu pi ni la do ne ko mo ja yo re la na pu e da pu ni kaza pi ni la ani ko ni ja do ne ko mo ja yo re la bin pa na ta ma to mang chiu chi si khar chi lam sa mental calculation ki kyang mang bo yo re khar ge la bin pa na kesi ko la ko mo dun ju na ro ta la ru shu cha za re khar na pi la kha su yo de mental calculation ki pi le ro cha re kha su yo la na sa sum ju yo re you know how 이 숨주 가신 책을 나오고 있는 데에 디가지 대 파주로와 소마도 비 제가 더 빅 밸류 제가 더 저래 100 디바지 디 마이너스 아니 70 which is equal to 30 and see equal so simple so guys now when you don't manage क्या लेवल होगा so in case कैसे हुआ हम तो ला अंगे तो हाफ को मेव इन पाए ना तेंगा 70 इन बाहर हुआ 17 बाहर ता 17 बाहर को मेव इन पाए ना कैसे दिन अंतु की रोआ कोला अंतु x जाओ इन पाए ना and p की वैल्यू खर्चा की लाओ इन पाए ना p की वैल्यू खर्ची रे p which is equal to 100 minus x here so this is the condition दिरोआ p की वैल्यू की खर्चे की लाओ दो टन p की वैल्यू की तेजिन खने सरासो लाओ इन पाए ना क्या ने टोरू देने pu shamba de ge su ten bai na xin ni ko pi ge che ge ro so this is an idea ta ti kan di na complementary angle na ko has na di dan di ni dom ni kya lagi ho yin bai di na ha re di da di ni dom bai na is a 90 le de no ji bi ya so that di ko de negative de kan xin le do le sho so this is the idea that we are applying here so this shamba na wa kan chi da ma to mental calculation ki la sa shi ge go zo कोला उयु देम से शबा दर उयु खसना ना उयु तोने नमसा ना तुरे but practically रा by calculation के तोने अनि खनिस रा तोने नमसा पे मा तुने शेग दवा रा पु चिंग अन x मा छ शाना ना पु शबा x मा छ शाना पु शबा द खले रे टोटल दिने x सु थे बने पु शबा द शेग रो ओती आइडिया को दो लो तने चलेंगे पुनी की आइडिया so exactly same the complementary angle and the ni dominator now the cross with the pagal ten which kana complementary angle to suit the sweep parallel check do so this is important here also to the shira go and member check the nega the how much taking to khare ra inverse to suit the sweep parallel do it you taking us down side ba so inverse to suit the sweep parallel do now here the complementary angle to suit the sweep parallel do now let's check it so the complementary relation is in between the sine and cos remember here sine and cos की paralela complementary angle की relation here sine and cos की paralela खर्चे कर दो sine 90 minus theta लगा तो उसको cos theta दो क्यों है मैंने sine and cos paralela complementary angle की relation ही होता है तान अशी रुआ sine theta लगा इन पे ना रुआ अनि cos 90 minus theta तदी cos वाचा relation में सुधे taking on to the sine the inverse sunyam the inverse the sunyam reciprocal the sunyam the love in by na cosec nyam the wa that in the complementary angle na la sine and cos ki parallel de che sec and cosec ni ki parallel che tangent na chord da confuse yo mara complementary angle hai dar re inverse le dar the same share chi na complementary angle the su da su parallel de che ki do te same share the thing when you go through in by na the intimate goes to share so the sweep parallel sine 90 minus 3 china ro the textbook na yang ya so the complementary angle ji kurani parallel jo so the kharchin chegi me dia paget tuen share kyonas textbook intimate pa taro chi complementary angle ki jo shira kuni parallel jo kharchin me jo ro so de ye ji bi nya na ya ma the dredge angle dredge wa ji bi nya so dinne ji pa taro chi yimane tende nge kyonas idea ka na swing parallel complementary angle de jo do di khechi mo inda sine and cos sec and cosec cot and tangent that the complementary angle the two kind of legit so now here example ni so sum xiao de jin ji sha ro sum shen da two kind of legit lo in here for example say evaluate the value zela na Sine 41 divided by cos 49 there. Now we are going to change 1. Joe is a Maja. Dear Joe, dear Joe, Kunichi level go Yana Joe, Yana Diga. And how we are going to change? Let's see. That trans children, Kuran Kari, Sundaro Chimbalero, Kuran Kari Joe Gaga, Bukashe, Sine Joe taking, or maybe the cos Joe Gang Leggy. That the trans idea, trans of Samatana Kari Joe Gang. Marshall, Sine Joe Gang. Okay, some of Sine Joe Gang. Sine Joe Gang drawing, but a 41 Ranja there, Tomokachana, Sine Ranja T. The regular 41 Ranja nail, the 41 Ranja Sine Ranja T, but they Joe Gang in. So 90 minus 41, 49 10 and cos Ranja T. Then the case 41, 90 minus 49, 41. Nothing. Joke game. Jason sign the sign Ranja native. 90 minus 49 is a 41. 90 minus 49 is 41. Then the joke game. 41 the Raya 19 is 49 thing. Did you say? That's shiny. Sign the complementary angle the current jodo there. Sine the complementary angle the current jodo cos theta lena there. Sine 90 minus theta the theta the length to cos of Gula. So as sine 90 minus theta the 49. That the car you know in cos the joke Gablado. So as cos 49. Divided by 100 cos of 49. So cancel down the Hachi do answer 1. It's a simple. Negative power with you. Transition with the parallel. They joke sign the sign Ranjali to get 41, 90 minus 49 is a 41. Ranja shot. Didn't you get the never did it? Dinishini joke there. Cos Kashinaza, cos 49 Kashinasana, sine 90 minus theta there are theta chicolesa there. Then the 49 they did it, theta did it. And she cos a joke gabler. So cos. Take another example here. Say here, again, since these are the relation, let's see here, 60, 6 and 4, 10, 5, 8, 9, 90 second. 90 second of para complementary angle ki divide. So we are going to change either one. Either you can change the chord or tangent. Check gap. Nija gap then you run. Total charge. The tangent chadi, the chord chadi, and the chord chadi, the tangent. Change one. Either you can change this chord or tangent. If you are going to change this chord, the chord the case is let's see here. Chord the ranjati thamo. Chord ranjati. Now to get this 34 right? 90 minus 56 90 minus 56 90 minus 56 math 10 by the partially is a 4. The extra 34. So 34 right? 90 minus 56 level 34. So 34 answer the positive answer negative tangent of 56. Now change color cot 90 minus theta the current cot 90 minus theta the tangent theta ratios. And what is the theta? The theta is 56. So change it now. Tangent 56. And tangent 56. And subtract. You just sign the answer is 0. Very simple. If you know this complementary relation. The complementary relation is same by the so then you get the chain low in Pana. Did you change the and Chimbola Kyosu? Kasu, that you didn't tell you in Pana. Near Karana, single chick shame by another, and Mama and Kyoam, deep part of dome tangent like you. Either you can multiply it. So, Dimos are the chick yapon by Shambachita and Kra to a Karidush party, they were in Pana. Then they sing the rest of the draw. That patching example chick shower and shower, etc. Then now. Then I like a share and then I let the intimate ground to get part Chiroshi. 당에 직샤와 됐으니까 도시하나 뒤도 그런 거 트라이 시루샤 so 강한테 디깅 안쪽에 angle 라 가서 디 degree 디 하고기 요는 calculation 시에 그토를 조잉이래 난디 complementary 그토인데 저 그런 디 당에 example 직샤로 하는 게 잠셔와 last 게 세션이야 see here the example there 2 tangent of 53 divided by cot of 37 minus cot of 80 divided by tangent of 10. The relation in between the tangent and cot complementary relation when you para here. Here so tangent either you can change the tangent or cot, doesn't matter, change one. So suppose say if you are going to change this cot the joke again by now say 2 tangent of 53 under sharp, is it? Now to change here, first you write here the cot itself, cot under t, and to get this 37, 90 minus 53 tenda. 90 minus 53 means 37. So tenda cot answer now. Same. Cot answer there. Negative. That was the tangent the joke out shara. Now it's a cot of 80 answer sharp. To get this 10, 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80 means 10. So tangent 10. Answer there. The sheen complementary the dinner push now. Cut the 2 tangent of 53 divided by cot 90 minus theta means tangent theta. And theta is 53. So tangent of 53 so and negative t cot t and cot of 80 degree divided by tangent 90 minus theta is a cot. So cot and cot here is a 80. Cot of 80. Now what we are going to do is tangent 53 and tangent 53 cancelled. Cot 80 and cot 80 here. So what is left here? 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 as your solution. The thing is, example there are so many questions that you find in the textbook also. Textbook exercise so that the next complementary angle the calculation chitang chikda and as a trigonometry angle specific angles like it all on the genre the calculation chitang genre just that in the practice healing lots of test